Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your computer keeps freezing every few seconds, or so there could be a variety of a very low list of potential reasons. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung on desk cleanup. And then, click mo lang dito yung open. And then, pop up itong desk cleanup drive selections. So, dito ay kailangan mo lang i-select kung anong drive yung gusto mong i-clean up. Okay? So, meron tayo dito C drives and D drive. Okay? So, select lang natin tong ating C drive. And then, click lang to OK. And then, wait natin. Ayan. So, makikita mo dito yung desk cleanup mga kaibigan. Alright? So, dito sa files to delete, dapat naka-check tong box. And then next, i-click mo lang tong OK dito sa baba. And then, are you sure you want to permanently delete? Then, click mo lang tong delete files. And then, wait natin. Ayan. So, ang next solution na pwede natin gawin. So, dito lang sa search menu. And then, kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung defragment and optimize. So, type mo lang yung defragment. Okay. So, makikita mo dito yung defragment and optimize drives. And then, click mo lang itong open. Right. So, dito sa optimize drives, ang next step ay select ka lang dito kung anong drives yung kailangan natin gawin. Alright. So, select ka lang dito. And then, dito naman sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click itong optimize. So, kailangan mo lang click yan. And then, wait natin. And then, after dito, ay close lang natin itong optimize drives. And then, next step, dito lang sa search menu. And then, kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang itong yes. And then, dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsm /online /cleanup-image /restore health. So, copy lang natin yan. And then, kailangan lang natin dito i-paste. So, dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung edit. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung paste. Or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut of Control plus B. Okay, so click lang natin yan. And then, enter mo lang siya at makikita mo na dito yung deployment image servicing and management tool. So, kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung sfc /scannow. So in all small letter lahat. And then yung /scannow ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito yung beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verifications, phase of system scan. So, kailangan ulit natin na hintayin na ma-complete yung verifications into 100%. Alright, so makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So, ang next step, dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang dito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows 11 keeps freezing randomly. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.